How to hide Instagram posts from someone without actually blocking them. Hey everyone, in today's tutorial I'll show you how to hide your Instagram posts from someone without blocking them. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your smartphone and log into your account if you haven't already. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner to go to your profile page and scroll through your posts and find the photo or video you want to hide from someone. Tap on it to open, and once the post is open, tap on the three dots in the top right corner to open the options menu. In the menu that appears, look for the option that says edit. Tap on it and you'll see the option to hide from profile or something similar. Select this option. Confirm that you want to hide the post, and this will remove the post from your profile and from the feeds of the people you selected, but it will still be visible to others. If you want to restrict who sees your posts in the future, consider adjusting your account settings. So go to your profile, tap on the three lines in the top right corner, select settings, then go to privacy. From there, you can choose to make your account private, limiting visibility to only your followers. And that's it. You've successfully hidden your Instagram posts from someone without blocking them. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.